everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with a phone review and this is featuring the OPPO F11. As soon as OPPO Philippines launched the OPPO F11, a lot of you guys messaged me on Instagram and on Facebook. Kailan ka magre-review ng OPPO F11? Well, this is it. So if you want to unbox the OPPO F11 with me, then please keep on watching. Okay, the last OPPO phone I reviewed was the OPPO R17 Pro, and it's actually the same phone I've been using ever since I unboxed that. It's funny how I used to think that I would only use Apple products forever, but now look at me, I'm hooked. My sister actually sent her iPhone 7. I'm not that thrilled because iba talaga yung screen ng R17 Pro. I have the OPPO F11 Pro. I'm sure you'd also want to know more about this. I'll be reviewing this right after I'm done with the F11. Pero syempre gusto ko manamnam natin kada phone. So next video na to. Today, it's all about the OPPO F11. So as you can see, I haven't opened the box yet. It's fully sealed, which is perfect because legit na mag-unbox tayo together. This is also gonna be like a first impression review because I've never held this before. Ganito yung box niya. Shows you a photo of what to expect. It has the branding. It has a couple of basics. I know you guys get also annoyed na nakikita niyo yung mukha ko while unboxing. So I'm gonna make this face disappear and focus on the phone. So this is the box. Meron siyang box. Quickly looking at what's inside this box. You have the SIM card pin. You also have the guide over here. And the free casing. This is what I love about OPPO phones. They have free casings. I mean, who else does that? So yung feeling ng jelly case na to, sa loob, medyo coarse. And then the outside is just smooth. This is the unit. Syempre, meron siyang protective na film. It actually shows you that you're getting the F11. You have 48 megapixel dual rear camera. You have 6.5 na water drop screen. The VOOC flash charge 3.0. So I'm excited about that. I super love the VOOC chargers, man. You have no idea how it's changed my life. We also have the Hyper Boost system boost technology. Then you remove this. You get the VOOC flash charger. It's your USB cable type. You also get earphones. So pa yung type ng cable niya. Not like the R17 Pro na C-type na. Let's remove the protective film. It is such a huge phone. 6.5 water drop screen. I have the unit in marble green. There are only two colors available in the Philippines. There's marble green and fluorite purple. Ugh, look at that. It's so beautiful. It just says designed by OPPO. You see how elegant it is? So nice. It's so sleek. Ang smooth niya. Tas ang ganda ng color, oh. As usual, it has that protective film installed for you guys. It's another perk that I love about OPPO. The volume buttons on the left side of the unit. Nandito na rin yung SIM card tray sa left side. And then the lock and unlock button. Also the power button. I also find it nice that it has that. Parang, ayan eh, nakikita mo yung green na yan. Yan yung parang indicator na that's your power button. At the bottom of the unit, you have the port where you could put your headset, the charging port, and the speakers. Long press natin to. Oh, there. OPPO. And the vibration ek. Alright, let's do English, continue. And then I'm from the Philippines. Setting it up like normal. Yes. Okay, more. I accept. It still has the fingerprint, face, and passcode, but I don't want to do that now. It's very basic. I'll just skip that. Continue. Do I want the auto update overnight? Of course I do. Ito rin yung isa sa mga gusto ko sa lahat ng OPPO phones. You can clone your phones. You can just import data from an old phone or set as a new OPPO phone. So I'll just say set as a new OPPO phone. It has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. I'll just let it start processing and voila! This is the basic interface of my OPPO F11. Super ganda ng screen. And I'm back with my face. I'm gonna compare the OPPO F11 with my R17 Pro. Definitely is bigger. Bigger by a hair. Mas malaki yung screen niya ng onte. Ang linaw. The scanner is still at the back. So, andito pa rin siya. Do you see that? Versus sa OPPO R17 Pro na nasa harap. Tignan mo kung gaano siya kadumi. Sorry na. This also has face unlock. I want to try how fast the face unlock is. Enroll face. O, diba? Ang cute. I-enroll ko yung mukha ko. Enroll my face. So please keep your face displayed in a circle until the enrollment is done. Kinuha niyo na nakanganga ako. Gives me options like, do I use it for unlocking, for locking apps, for private safe? So, unlock muna tayo directly with my face. Closed eyes will fail recognition. Yes! Diba? Paano po natutulog ako? I'd have to say that function is quite funny to me. Closed eyes will fail face recognition. Siguro ito yung mga pag may tinatago sa phone, tapos natutulog. Alam mo yung may mga ganong meme na like with the Apple, yung thumb ginagamit. So, I like that. That's pretty cool, Oppo. Ta-da! Unlocked. Siyempre, you know me, I'm so big on cameras. It's actually one of the reasons why I completely switched from my iPhone to the Oppo R17 Pro. So ngayon, titingnan na natin yung camera. The front camera is 16 megapixels lang. I'm gonna take a selfie and I will share with you the photo. Oh, wow! Nabura ako, teka. You have the option to switch the beautifying thing off. I don't like that. So we're back to normal. That looks more like myself. Alright, so I took selfies. I'll show you how the photos look. I think they're pretty good. Very detailed din naman siya. Pretty clear. If you zoom in, makikita mo din naman talaga yung pores ko. So I love that. I love that the details of my contact lenses and my lashes are still there. Ayan, nakikita mo yung pagka-dry ng lips ko. Tsaka pores. May pores pa rin ako. So I love that. It doesn't erase me, but of course, if you wanna be erased, you have that option. Ayan, burado na ako. You see me? So, hi. That's with a smoothener. You can fix. Kung sobrang gusto mo nang wala ng linya yung buong buhay mo, todo mo na. But if not, you can remove that. If you want a thinner face, ayan. So, the thinnest. Whoa! Wala na akong mukha. Okay. Smaller face. Oh my God. Ayan siya. If you want a chin, diba? Nauubos na talaga yung mukha ko. Bigger eyes. I'm starting to look like an alien. Smaller nose. Ooh. The usual functions of the camera, you have the video. You can take a video in 1080p, 720p. For the photo, you have the HDR function. You also get to choose filters. You can check kung mahilig kayo mag-Instagram or mga photo ratio, like do you want it ng 4:3 or square na siya agad, you have that option. You could also do full screen if you like. There's also a timer, grid, shutter sound, location, flip selfie para hindi baliktad kahit na naka-selfie ka. You also have the portrait functionality. Portrait is when the Oppo phone blurs out your background. You see it? My background is absolutely blurred and I'm super duper clear. I love that. Rear camera naman. It's 48 megapixel dual rear camera. It gives you more pixels for high resolution photos. So your Instagram game is totally gonna be upgraded. And then here's a video. The Oppo F11 has a big sensor size and it has a super-sized aperture. This means mas maraming ilaw yung pumapasok sa lens, which makes it one of the best phones of Oppo when it comes to low-light photography. Dahil dyan, mas kukonti yung noise. The Oppo F11 also has a dazzle color mode, which means your colors are intensified, they're emphasized. Superior vibrancy talaga yung binibigay niya. Now, I haven't charged this phone yet. Let's quickly look at how amazing the VOOC charger is. I'll plug it in. So we're now at 65%. And then it says VOOC. 12:29 a.m. Hindi ko siya na-adjust, sorry. Pero let's assume it is 12:29. We're currently at 74%. It's just 12:35. I won't wait till the phone gets to 100%, but we know that in just a span of 6 minutes, there's already been an upgrade of 9% battery charge. That's amazing. Like, it's so perfect for us people who are always on the go, who are always busy, laging nagmamadali. Yan, tayo yun. Perfect din para sa atin. It retails for 15,990 pesos. I think it's a very cool phone. I mean, just look at that design. Gusto ko na siya eh. Design pa lang, gusto ko na siya. It's easy for me to say this because I've been an Android user ever since I've reviewed Oppo phones, and that's a big thing for me because I've always loved Apple. I've always been an iPhone user. For 15,990 pesos, I think it's worth it. And for the specs that I'm paying for, masaya na ako sa price point na yun. If you want to see my other Oppo phone reviews, I'll put put the links in my description box below. Please watch out for my Oppo F11 Pro unboxing soon. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and you stay weird.